So, hello guys. The moment of truth. Okay. So, FDT board DIY. Pero pinagawa ko talaga sa China yung yung board talaga. So, I designed all of this based on schematic and modification sa mga nagustuhan kong amplifier. And then yung stepper, yung ginamit ko sa live kasi marami akong ganito. Mga next design gagamitin ko yung BKE naman, speaker protect. So meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and yung rail supply niya is AC second, third, second. Hindi ko ma-access. Ayaw. Ay, naka-off eh. So, ito yung second rail. Ayan. So, yung supply ko as of now 110 AC, which is good enough for 2 tiers. Pero gagawin natin tong 120. Kasi 120 yung 120 to 130, no problem, okay? So, ayan. Input, output, and then scope. Ayan. So, all rig. Yeah, it says ang ganda ng stepper. Ayan, live stepper yan. So, pwedeng maging ganyan yung stepper niyo kahit live. Ayan. Live yan. May konting modification lang sa stepper at yan. Gaganda na yung stepper ni live. Ayan. So, unloaded, meron tayong 102 VRMS. So, pag-load natin, yan. So, nakakuha tayo ng 1,200 watts with a little bit of clipping. Kita yung clip, yan. Very accurate yan. Yung signal naman, yan. Pag ito active, ito protect, ito clip. Ito naman signal. So, connected yan sa sa GST connector yan. Signal. So, DIY confirm. Okay. So, load natin. Yan. So, depende yung output sa supply ha. So, for this 2 tiers ito, kaya yan, di 3 tiers. Na-loop ko lang yung last tier. So, yung amp itself, pwede natin pataasan ng supply, no problem. Walang modification, yan na yan. And yung stepper, additional lang dito. Ganito kataas. Or sacrifice ng dalawa ng ganito. Pero single pair. Anyway, kung meron kayong mas mataas na heatsink, much better. Ayan, diba? Meron tayong 1 watts sa 8 ohms, 4 ohms naman. 4 ohms. Meron tayong 2,000 watts. Ayan, 2,000 watts at 4 ohms. Flip. Very accurate yan, par. And power consumption at 2,000 watts output is 2,800 watts. Ayun! I love it! Natin na picture. Prototype dam. Mass production is going on the way. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para ma-update tayo sa mga kalokohan ni Boss Edward. Bye-bye.
Angay sa bayo.